Alright, here we go. What's going on, everybody? Welcome to Solo 730 Know Stuff. I ain't go live today, man. I'm just coming back from vacation. I gotta get back in the swing of things. So I said, let me make this quick video. So this video is what's today? Today is January 12th. January 12th, Monday, January 12th. I hope everybody New Year is going good. So today's video is I want to play Call of Duty. So for those of you that don't know, on the computer, Call of Duty, you have to boot your computer up in safe mode. So what I did, I went to the BIOS, I put it in I took it out of legacy mode, put it in UEFI mode, and when I went to go get back and put it in safe mode, and when I went back to go back into Windows, it did not load back into Windows. So that's what this is about. I went on ChatGPT and it kept putting me into the BIOS and restore factory keys. So this is what I did. I have a gigabyte, my motherboard. I turned on CSMM support so that I could go into UEFI mode and restore factory key. Turn on secure boot. Now I can't find my boot drive. So what happened was because I put the hard drive in while it was in legacy mode, it has to stay that way until you change it. You have to validate it. So what it told me to do, it just told me to go back into the BIOS, change everything back the way it was, right? So I had to put everything back in legacy mode, and here you go. Put everything back into legacy mode and basically the way it was, right? But then I was able to boot into Windows. I went to the command prompt. I typed in this command mbr 2gbt validate convert, and it didn't work. Okay, it didn't work. Right? And then what happened with ChatGPT? And the command prompt, it says mngp GP can only be used from Windows pre-installation environment. Right? Let's command prompt man run. All right. So what happened? It told me to put in validate allow OS, and it still didn't work. I'm pretty sure it didn't work. All right, because I was a user, so I had to open up the command prompt as an admin. I just had to right click it. Duh. Right. All right. Now I think it starts to work now. I have to type in this command. All right. Validation successfully. Validation passed. Validation completed successfully. All right. So converted that. Validated. Now we gotta do conversion. I think that just to show that you can convert it. Same prompt. Now you convert. You should see messages like creating EFI system partition, installing boot drives, conversion completed successfully. So this is the next command prompt: mbr2 that slash convert slash allow full OS. Oh, so what I learned in the command prompt, right? After the first word, leave a space. Then you put your slash. Then after this word, leave a space, put a slash. You just can't put everything together. Right? So this word is now in UEFI compatible mode. So that's all this was about, to get it compatible. Right? I know I'm running through this. Data stays intact. BIOS just need to switch back to you. Okay. Well, this was an issue when read. That's like I forgot what it's called. Windows environment needs repairing, but conversion was Windows recovery environment. But skip that part. Now I go switch back to BIOS. Right? Turn the computer off, reset it. Spam the delete button. I mean, restart it. Spam the delete button. Right. So BIOS, able to CSM support, boot mode, UI mode. So in my BIOS, when I turn off CS support, it automatically turns off legacy. Yeah. Go secure boot, advanced options. You go secure boot, enable, secure boot mode, restore factory keys. Yes. Boop, save, exit. All right. Windows boots normally. If it does, stop and tell. If Windows does not boot, it took a long time, but it booted up Windows. All right. Repair Windows recovery environment. Actually, I went to repair it, and it was nothing wrong with it. It was fine. Windows recovery environment was. So I ran all of these. So now UEFI mode is on. G scanned it. Yes, secure boot on. Recovery environment. That is okay. Now this is important too. Wait. Come in with the there is Windows. Something I want y'all to full system hardening. 132. Something I want y'all to see. Those BIOS. 132 to come in. Oh, MS Info 32. Okay, this is what I need. I want to show y'all this. MS and what I want y'all to see. Right? Where's it? So you want secure boot state on. I see this. Secure boot state on. And that's the most important thing. Oh, in BIOS mode, I don't know if y'all can see it. Here, UEFI. Those are your goals on this project. So the easiest thing just do it because I watched videos and it was too confusing. Just let ChatGPT walk you through. You want to see secure boot state on. All right. So to do this, you pretty much gotta be a rocket scientist. Now you don't gotta be a rocket. The easiest way to do this is definitely with ChatGPT. If something goes wrong, you could just put it in ChatGPT, help it for you. But most of it is just running code in the command prompt. Right? You have to run the code in the command prompt before you go in to your BIOS. So don't even bother going into your BIOS until you run the code, and you have to convert that it can convert to ESM legacy mode, a UEFI. Then once you do that, you can put it in secure boot mode, and you be good to go. So let me ask ChatGPT. Yeah, I did this the other day, but ChatGPT has no sense of time. So for ChatGPT, no, I'm typing this right after this, even though this was 2 days ago. Okay, make sure. list steps. Cool. All right. Checklist. Checklist. This is not okay. This is short. All right. So we're gonna run through the checklist real quick in like 2 minutes. Right. All right. Boot Windows in legacy mode. BIOS. CSM enable. Secure boot. Open command prompt. Open command prompt as admin. Right click. Command CMD. Right click it. Open it up as admin. Right. Run as admin. All right. All right. You run this code right here. Let's say validation completed successfully. Then you're gonna run this code right here. After you run the validate, you gotta convert. Let's say conversion completed successfully. Switch it by. All right. So now you gotta reboot. Go into the BIOS. Got spam delete. It depends what motherboard you got. All right. Windows CSM. You're gonna disable CSM. Boot mode. You're gonna put boot mode and UEFI only in the window. That's in the Windows Boot Manager. Then you got to go to secure mode, security, go secure boot, enable mode standard, restore default key. Yes. All right. This is on a gigabyte motherboard. All right. We didn't need this. Verifying Windows. All right. So once you do this, save it, reboot it, and then reboot into Windows. All right. Now to verify it, go to Windows, type in MS Info 32, and the little box down here. Oh, you can't see the box down. Press Win and R, pop up. Search in the search box. All right, and that's what you want to see. This is what I just showed y'all. You want to see BIOS mode, UEFI, secure boot state on. That's it. So thanks for checking out our video. And this actually took me like almost an hour to do. Because this is like when everything goes correct, but it's not gonna always go correct. So it took me like an hour, but and then I started playing the game. And then I decided I'd rather play it on console anyway. It was a waste of an hour, but it was still fun to do. All right, well, anyway, thanks for checking out the video. I'll see y'all next time. And is Call of Duty really worth doing all this when you can just play on your console? I mean, everybody's playing Arc Raiders anyway. Call of Duty, I think you done ran its course. And the game didn't even look good. It looks way better on the console. But thanks for watching the video. See y'all next time. GG.